Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. Today we're going to be installing our platform roof rack on the 5th generation Toyota 4Runner. Let me show you what's included. We've got our front, middle, and rear mounting brackets. We've got our fully customizable tie-down brackets. You can mount these anywhere along the outside of the side or front and rear rails. We've got our crossbar mounting brackets. These are the shims for the middle and rear brackets, our aluminum corner caps that tie the sides to the front and rear. These are our Allen head button bolts with the T-nuts that slide into the channels on the rails themselves, as well as any additional hardware required to install on your 4Runner. The platform itself consists of your side rails, your crossbars, your front and rear rails, and of course, those gorgeous looking corner caps. That's your parts list. Let's get it installed on the 4Runner. The first step is going to be to remove your factory side rails. We're going to take these caps off to reveal the mounting bolts underneath. We'll lift this rail out of the way and we'll repeat that process on the passenger side. Let's take a look at our mounting brackets. If you'll notice at the top of the brackets, we've got one notch, that's our front bracket. 2 notches is our middle bracket, and 3 notches is our rear bracket. You also take a look at the front bracket, you'll notice that it has an angle to it. It's angled forward. So this one is going to be our passenger side, the higher point toward the front of the vehicle. Let's get these brackets installed. We're going to start on the passenger side middle bracket. Both middle brackets as well as both back brackets are going to install the exact same way. First, we're going to take our shim or spacer and drop it into place. After we do that, we'll go ahead and take our bolts with our lock washer and flat washer and drop those into the holes on the bracket itself. Then we'll place the bracket and tighten those bolts down. We'll repeat that process 1, 2, 3 more times after this one, and then we'll move on. With our bracket secure, we're going to go ahead and install our T-nut and their hardware with the T-nuts facing out. Now we're going to do that 3 more times and we'll be ready to move on to our next step. At this point in the instructions, I'm pretty sure, I'll have to double check, but I think they say to go ahead and install your front bracket. I'm going to hold off on that until I get the rails, just to make sure that I've got everything lined up correctly. You can go ahead and install the front bracket now if you want. I feel like getting the rail on is going to make it land exactly where we want it. With that being said, we're going to go ahead and install our 81-inch side rail sections. Once we get those up, we'll move on to installing our corner joints on the short rails. We'll attach the short rails to the long rails, and then we'll install that front bracket. Now we'll take our corner caps, slide those into the end of the shorter sections, and install those using the provided hardware. We'll repeat that on the other short bar. One's going to become the front of the rack and the other the rear. Now we'll use that same hardware to attach our corners to our long pieces. A sunroof makes this part much easier. All right, now I'm ready to install our front bracket. We're going to go ahead and clean the mounting surface with some alcohol on a paper towel. Make sure it's nice and clean. We've got double sticky tape here at the bottom of the foot. We've got our T-nuts here. I'm going to peel the backing off the double sticky tape. I'm going to roll it into place and slide our T-nuts into our channel. We're ready for our crossbars. We're going to go ahead and install our brackets on those. These install using the hardware and T-nuts provided. We will simply attach a set of T-nuts to the bracket, and we'll slide the bracket onto the crossbar. And then these will attach to the inside of our sidebars with another set of T-nuts. Now the great thing about these crossbars is you can move them around on the platform however you want to, and you can install them 2 different ways. You can install them with the bracket up, and those are going to be mounted lower down than the crossbars for a basket type if you're hauling cargo, or you can flip them with the brackets facing down, that's going to put them flush with the top of the longer rail, and that's the way you want to do it if you're installing a rooftop tent or a kayak mount. You can do any combination of those. You can buy additional crossbars. It's up to you. With our crossbars installed, one of the last things I want to show you is just how versatile the bars are, how easy it is to install the tie-down brackets and also lighting. Both are going to mount using the T-nuts on the outside of the rail, and you can place the tie-downs anywhere along the sides or front and back. And the same goes for any lighting. You simply add the hardware and T-nut to the lighting bracket, drop it into the channel, move it where you want, tighten it down, and then install your light to the bracket. And that's how you install the platform roof rack for the 5th generation Toyota 4Runner. Not an extremely difficult to install, but if you have an extra set of hands, I would definitely recommend it. So if you're looking for a rooftop solution for a tent, a kayak, or any cargo that won't fit inside your 5th generation 4Runner, check out our platform roof rack. Available today at roughcountry.com.